So this just happened yesterday. Isn't that great? This has been welded by the previous owner several times. Most all of those wheels on the tandem drives out there have been welded in a spot or two. You can see where it's broke now. That's really opened that up. Jake's got the rim done. He's got the outside done. He had to go cut the inside out and run a bead around that. Then he had some porosity problems on the back. He had to cut out some weld again. And he ended up making a root pass and then one above and one below to get it nice and good. I mean, it'd been sort of fixed so many times there just wasn't much we could do about it. So I just need to get it cleaned up and painted and get it back on the rim. I'm getting tired of the car. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Mr. Griffey come out and help me. He'll come out and help me? He's checking her out. Matt's been going to town on the tranny. Jake had some backhoe work stuff to do. So anyway, I got a lot of work to do on this. I just need to keep going. I just want the car going and want it out of here. So does Mr. Griffey. Don't you, Mr. Griff? You ready to go? Should we go? All right, I got a, what do they call this? Jewish overhaul. Got a paint job on her. Got a new stem in it from Caterpillar. Anyway, give it a few minutes for the paint to dry a little bit, and then we'll get the tire. I'll get the tire on. Jake's working on the eager beaver because the eager beaver ain't too eager. So the brake valve that screws onto this tank's shot, and guess what? We can't get one till Friday. They're in short supply. Can you believe that? Everything's 10 days away from everywhere. 2 weeks from everywhere. Gosh dang geographical oddity. So, I gotta go to the service truck and find me an O-ring. Okay, we keep lots of 25 O-rings, and I got a bag of 35s. So these O-rings we've had pretty good luck with. Haltech, made in the USA. That's what you want to look for. Doesn't say Union made in the USA, just made in the USA. So that's enough. Made USA, made in Canada. Oh, trying to figure out whether to go put that rim on the grader and then put the tire on it first, or throw the tire on the ground and assemble it. What do you think? Yeah, you gonna hide out over there? Got your hide spot? Huh? He's a cat. You think you're a cat? Where's the horses? Where's the horses? Where's the horses, Griff? Where's your horses? Where are they? Where's the deer? Where's the deer? He's my deer getter. Last night there was a herd of deer in the yard. So I took him outside and he ran them off. Right about 100 yards away was one. He just sat and stared at him. Huh? Reel off, Mr. Griff. Okay. Let's see if we can get it on now. Come on. You can jump off. Come down here. Down here. You gonna get off, or just where you gonna hang? Okay. Not really where I wanted to be, but not lined up. So, what are we doing here, Jeff? What are we doing now? If that board comes out, it's going to go whoop, nose first. Right in the snow. So, I got to get it turned a wee bit. But if I grab the paint, it's going to be all over my gloves. So, let's see here. There we go. Like that. There we go. There we go, Mr. Griff. Yeah. Ain't gonna work. Watch out. Get away. Perfect. Drove it right on there. right on there. Okay, put some nuts on it. Uh-oh, my nuts need painted. You ever had that problem? Nuts need painted? Your nuts need painted, Mr. Griff? Huh? Okay, done with that part. Now I gotta go get Mr. Barky Dog and the forklift again, get the tire over here. Sweet. Sweet. Come on, bud, let me sit down. Come here. There you go. There you go. Hand that, put some goo on him. There you go. Now I gotta get, see, lock rings right there, and then I just gotta have some pry bars. Okay, I gotta grab the O-ring. Oh, you can do? Okay. You can help me, Gate? Can you help me? Another bar. This is in the groove there? Yeah, but... Yeah, I know. So, do you have one handy you can grab? The fender there? All dirty, all dirty, all dirty, all the time. Better? So. Well, we better put the lock ring in. It's going to push it clear out over the... Where's your ring at? It's on the ripper. You put one in between the space. There we go. Okay. So you can put like 70 pounds in these. So I'll put like 60 in it. There we go. Huh. Should I spray it with soap and water, see if there's leaks? Oh my gosh, what if there was? I prefer just to see if it's flat in the morning. Okay. I just gotta put all my junk away. Wish all my rooms, wish the whole grader looked like that. Nice and pretty yellow. That would be cool. Took her for a test drive, went up and graded the canal bank. It's not flat yet. And I hope it never does go flat. Anyway, Jake's got to put a set of brake shoes on the Eager Beaver. It's got one set that's just wore down to the nub, I guess. I think I had a spare set in the van trailer for the Jeep, if they're the same size. I guess they kind of look like they are. There's the new one. There's the drum. Well, you can't take the wheels off these unless you jack the whole trailer up. You can't jack the axle up or you can't get them out of there. So, note to self. Hey, got all kinds of cool stuff from subscribers. Got one from Australia, got one from New Zealand, and one from Texas, and one from Canada. So I busted out the good camera, the Canon, so you don't see all those squiggly lines from the LED lights. I still haven't figured out how to make that GoPro stop doing that. Anyway, let's open these up, see what we got. Okay, somebody from Canada sent me this cool old autos paper. No note, I don't know who it came from, but I've been perusing through it. Mrs. Jpaydirt was out here looking at it. There's a lot of cool cars and stuff in here. Thank you very much for that. Doesn't matter where you go in the world, people like old cars. I guess that's why they like me. Okay, so got a cool hat here from the Red Pantry Bar, Beer and Drinks, Nuevo Progreso, Temps, Mexico, and a sticker. Have you seen our panties? Follow me to the Red Panty Bar, Progreso, Texas. I know who sent me this, so let me read the letter. It says, Jeff, here's a hat and sticker from Mexico. We have a winter house 3 miles from the border and cross over regularly. It is in a fun place to have a few cool ones. Wear it proudly and hang it on the shop shelf. Also as a sticker to put on the filthy whore. Love watching your videos. This is from Sean Bacon, the Bacon Meister out of Wisconsin. Thank you very much for that, Sean. I appreciate that. That's a cool hat, man. Oh my gosh. Check this out. D9. H. The old Pac-Man symbols. So I can put it on my D9s. That is cool. And a calendar from, I assume, what is the cat dealer, Tara. I don't know where they're at. Anyway, oh, this is from Peter Anderson. Haven Lock Hastings, New Zealand. That's cool. Thank you. Ooh, I need one of those. Send me one of those next time, Peter. Anyway, this is awesome. Thank you very much for that, because when I get the 9s going and stuff, I'm gonna have to get them painted up and put the old Pac-Man style decals on it. That is cool. Thank you. I'll use that. Oh, I found the note here from Peter. He says, hi Jeff, just to let you know that we in New Zealand like Caterpillar equipment too. Hope you can use these decals when you tidy up the old girls. Thanks for the amazing video content. Regards, Peter Anderson. Thank you very much for that, Peter. Appreciate it. Okay, this is from Damon Richardson in Australia. He says, hi Jeff, I have sent you some goodies for you to say thanks for going above and beyond for the calendars this year. The cap is from an Australian YouTube show from Queensland. They do good work. The other goodies are for the Challenger or Pete or Kenny or anything you want to look mint. They also have a YouTube show and also from Queensland. I met Dan when he came to Adelaide years ago. He's a cool dude to say the least. I've been using his gear for about 6 years now. I tell all my mates to only use his gear. It's the best gear on the market. It's all made in Queensland. Well, that's cool. So we got a wash pad. Oh, big softy. Quickly removes waxes, cleaners, and polishes. Got a couple of those. Oh yeah, cutting edge engineering. I watch his videos. That guy is a talented guy. Very talented. He's done very well for himself. Oh wow. And some soap. Looks like some of it got out of the bag just a little. Oh, this is cool. Bugger off. That's a good name. That's an Australian name for, that must be a bug remover. That's cool. Bugger off for quick cleaning of bug splatter. Bugger off, mate. Bowden's Vinyl Care, interior trim and dash protectant. Cool. Nanolicious wash, protective nano wash that leaves a stunning shine. Cool. Well, that's awesome because I'm going to use that on the car. The car needs a serious bath when I get done with it. It's covered in dust and dirt, as you can see in my videos. It's been neglected for quite some time. Anyway, I really appreciate that, Damon. And for those of you in Australia, New Zealand, I have so far been successful in shipping stuff to you via USPS. I've had no problem now. Nothing comes back. Everything goes over. With Damon's calendars, I think I tried USPS. They sent it back. I tried UPS. It came back. And that was because of my harmonization codes. I didn't have them in there. So I finally went through my ship station. They gave me the option to send it United States Postal Service, and I was able to get the harmonization codes figured out, and I got it to him. So if you want to order a calendar or something else, I can do that now. I had a flat rate fee of about $30 to send anywhere in the world. I think now to send anything to Australia is quite a bit more than that. But I'll eat that. We'll just keep sending it, so don't worry about it. If you want calendars, I can ship them over there. So thank you everybody for sending me the cool stuff. That's awesome. Just made my day. Well, Russell and Mindy, the package made it, but every package I get from you out of Hawaii is just practically destroyed. So whatever's in that must be like a sauce that's broke. One can of this coconut Haiwa was broke. The rest of them look like they're okay. We're gonna get it opened up, get those out. Oh, that one looks bad. It's all bulged. Yeah. Boy, United States Postal Service is just murder on stuff. There's the one that was totaled. They dropped it on the corner and then they wrapped it in plastic because it was oozing all over. So I still got to open this one, see how much is damaged in there. Okay, Russell and Mindy, the other box fared very well. Thank you for the coffee. That's really all I needed. Appreciate all this stuff that you've sent, man. Tammy's opening up. What do we got cookies here? Ooh, cookies. They made it. Yeah, that's awesome. What's these cookies too? Ooh. Anyway, thank you very much for this. This is awesome. This will keep me in coffee for a long, long, long time. That's cool. Thank you. Hope we don't die. Tip truck over.